We have got some suffixes which go at the beginning of a word, or suffixes go at the end of a base word and they change the meaning of that base word. And so a suffix is a syllable added to the end of a base word that changes its meaning. And so the suffix we have this week, as a matter of fact, we have two, and we have the suffix y, which means having or like something. So we can take that suffix, we can add it to the end of a noun, and it changes that noun into an adjective. For example, do not be doing anything with your papers yet. Be looking this way. So if we have the noun rain, we can add a y to it, and we can change it into the adjective rainy. So that means like rain or having rain. We could take the noun mouse. We can add a y to it. Oh, look, we dropped the e, boys and girls, and added a y to y, and it becomes mousy. So that means like a mouse. Mousy is like a mouse. We have the noun hill. We added a y to it. It becomes an adjective hilly, like a hill, having hills. Actually, that means having hills. It's when something's hilly, like having a hill. Now, another suffix that we are doing this week would be less. Less means without. Without. So we take our noun, we add less to it, we change it into a adjective as well. Bikeless means without a bike. Shape plus less, we turn it into an adjective. Shapeless, without shape. Pity plus less, pitiless, without pity. We can also this week have a prefix. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a word that changes the meaning of the word. And so the one that we have this week is dis, D-I-S, which means not, the absence of, or to do the opposite of, or it can mean apart or away from. So if we add dis to the word connect, disconnect, it means not connect, or the opposite of connect. Disagree, not agree. Discomfort, the absence of comfort, you're not comfortable. Displease, not pleased, when somebody's not pleased. So here we have our paper, and we have the exact things at the beginning that we always have. It says a suffix is a syllable added to the end of a base word to change its meaning. A prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a base word that changes the meaning of the word. Everybody should be looking at this. This is important. Y means having or like something. Less means without. Dis means apart or away, not, absence of, or to do the opposite of. So it can mean any of those things, so you have to pair it with the base word to decide which meaning works best with your base word. So it makes sense. We need it to make sense, boys and girls. So let's look at our sentences. It says, circle the word in each sentence that contains one of the prefixes or suffixes listed above. Write the meaning of the word on the line. The first one has been done for you. Number 1 says, it was a rainy day, so I stayed inside. Rainy has a, what does it have? Does it have a prefix or a suffix? What does it have?
Suffix.
It has a suffix. What I would like you to do today, should we highlight, so it's already circled, and it means having rain. So boys and girls, do you think we should highlight our suffixes and prefixes today, or should we highlight our base word? What do you think?
Suffixes and prefixes.
Let's highlight our suffixes or prefix. So what should we highlight in the word rainy? Mikey? The Y, because that changed our word rain into an adjective, having rain. So let's look at number 2. Maddie, could you do number 2 for us?
I dislike when people are mean to each other. Dislike.
Dislike, so let's circle dislike. Okay, and what should we highlight? This. Is that a suffix or a prefix?
Prefix.
Thank you, and Maddie. And what does dislike mean?
Not like.
Not like. That's right, not like. Number 3, please. Number 3. Can I get Sophie, please?
I felt helpless when I fell off my bike and broke my leg. Helpless.
Helpless. And what is our prefix or suffix?
Less.
Less. Oops. And is that a prefix or a suffix?
A suffix.
It is a suffix because it's at the end of a word. And what does helpless mean?
Not helpful.
It means,
No help.
well, what does less mean?
Like,
Look at what it means here. Less means, look on your paper, without. So what do you think helpless means?
without help.
Without help. Let's write that. Okay, number 4, please. I need Reese to do number 4.
The sky became cloudy and it looked like it might storm.
Okay, which word has a prefix or suffix?
Cloudy.
Cloudy, so we should circle cloudy. And what is the prefix or suffix?
Why?
Why? And what does cloudy mean?
Having clouds.
Having clouds. Just like it is today. And is this a prefix or a suffix, Reese?
Suffix.
It's a suffix. Thank you very much. Number 5, Amelia.
I disagree with my friend who thinks pizza is the best food.
Okay,
Disagree.
disagree. Very nice. Disagree. And could you tell me, please, what is the prefix or suffix? Dis. And is that a prefix or suffix?
Prefix.
Prefix. And what does disagree mean?
Not agreeing.
Not agree. Very good. Now you may put a star on this and you may put it in your home folder.